Hi guys, it's Matthew again. Today is 7th of April 2021. This is another strategy for today. Actually, we'll be dropping 2 strategies today, and you might be hearing some background sound in our strategies today because we are in the office and we're in an industrial area, so you might be hearing some little background sound due to the sound of all these industrial generators and all that. So here I'm going to explain this strategy to you. We still have a minute 16 seconds left, so let's just wait for this to end. Trading the volatility 75 index in and out. Okay, I have 36 seconds. Okay, you can see we won that trade here and we make 15 USD. Actually it took a bit long, but I'm going to come back and explain this strategy to you in a few seconds. And for those who haven't purchased our boats, the TOUCHSCALPER boat version 5.2 is still very effective. And if you haven't purchased this boat, just visit www.touchscalper.citywidetechnologies.com.ng. the boat is just 9.99 USD, and you can see some of the awesome results right here. You can see some of the results right there. You can see April 2021 is all green. You can make payment using Bitcoin, web money, perfect money, bank transfer, debit card and all that. So just visit the order page and the PIPSREAPER boat as well. Remember we told you earlier the 1st of April that we updated the boat, and we've sent the update to all those who have previously purchased the boat. The boat is just 7.99 USD. You can also make payment using Bitcoin, web money, perfect money, bank transfer, debit card and all that. So just visit the order page, binary PIPSREAPER boat.citywidetechnologies.com.ng to order the boat right here. And don't forget to subscribe to all our channels. As stated earlier, today we'll be dropping 2 videos today, one on this channel and the other one on the other channel is going to span for 1 good hour. That's 1 hour strategy. So we're going to test the strategy for 1 hour and we'll see how much you'll be able to make within that 1 hour time frame. So let's just continue with this strategy. This one will be short, and here again are the links. This is a link to purchase the PIPSREAPER boat. Visit www.binary.citywidetechnologies.com.ng to purchase the boat, and for the TOUCHSCALPER boat, visit www.touchscalper.citywidetechnologies.com.ng to purchase the boat. And for those who don't have a trading account, this is a link to sign up for a free trading account to test our strategies on demo before you go live. And here are the links to subscribe to our channels. Subscribe to our channels for more upcoming strategies. Just subscribe to the 2 channels for more upcoming strategies. Let's get back to the trading. So we won this trade right here and we made 15.66 USD. So let me explain to you. I'm using the smart trader. So once you log in, once you visit deriv.app website, on the top left corner you choose you can see the trader, the boats. For those who want to use our boat after purchasing it, this is where you clicked on. For those who are using the MT5, this is where you clicked on. But we are using the smart trader because that's the only place you can see the in and out. So once you clicked on smart trader, you go to synthetic indices, then you go to volatility 75, you clicked on it, then you click on the trade type, you choose stays between, then you go to in and out. Once you click on in and out, you click on stays between / goes outside. Is under the in and out. You can see right there, that's goes outside. So then the duration is 3 minutes. The duration you set it to 3 minutes. The high barrier offset is plus 978.203. Then the low barrier offset is minus 909.2151. So let's place a trade. Actually we'll be placing the trade when this one movement is going down. You can see it's pushing down there, so I've clicked on that trade. You can see the edge right there. Once it's going down, you click on the purchase, click on the down purchase, then you wait. So these are time counts. These are time count right here. Our barriers are not visible yet, but we still have some minutes left and a few seconds. So let's just watch. Actually, if you are in profit, you can actually sell at market before this thing disappears and rake in that amount, but I want to wait for the trade to end. You can see we are in profit again, but I have to wait. Let me just wait for the trade to end. This will soon disappear. The sell at market will soon disappear. Okay, seller market is no more visible, so we'll wait. We still have 1 minute 50 seconds. Okay, we have 1 minute 8 seconds. Okay, we are close. Okay, we've already crossed it, so you can see it took a little bit long, but we've already crossed it right here. So we made 15.52 USD, so you have to be patient. So let's just go for one more trade before we proceed to our 1 hour strategy, which we are going to drop on the second channel. Don't forget to subscribe to all the channels, or subscribe to all the channels. These are the channels again. This is the first channel that you are watching this on. We are going to paste all these in the video description on YouTube. This is the second channel. We'll be dropping the 1 hour strategy on this second channel right here. So just subscribe to both channels. So let's get back to the trading again. So we watch the wall movement again, and we let it slide down, and you click on the red purchase button, not the up one. You click on the goes outside button. We have to let it slide down. Okay, it's pushing down again, so that's a last trade. You can go on and on and on. Just watch the wall movement carefully. Just watch the edge of the wall movement. Edge. Let me just right here. So okay, let's view it again. We still have 2 minutes 25 seconds. Okay, there's a barrier line right here. This is the barrier line, so once it crosses this, we've already hit it, so we still have more time left. Market is rebounding. It's going to go up again or down. have 1 minute 23 seconds. Okay. Okay, you can see we've crossed it already. So we made about $31 just within 5 minutes. $31, that's not bad. So don't forget, this is going to be our last trade so that we can proceed to the 1 hour strategy on the other channel. So don't forget, if you haven't purchased the TOUCHSCALPER boot, visit www.touchscalper.citywtechnologies.com.ng to order the boot, and you can see some of the results right there. And it's just 9.99 USD. And for the PIPSREAPER, visit binary.pipsreaper.citywtechnologies.com.ng. It's just 7.99 USD. And don't forget to subscribe to all our channels for more upcoming strategies. Thanks for watching. Bye.